Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's class from mathematics subject, linear equations topic we are going to continue. So in our previous videos children, we have completed up to uh, practice sheet 1 problems. Let's discuss level 2. Sorry, level 1 problems we have completed. Let's discuss level 2 problems. So 20th question children, the question is the equation 3t plus 2 equal to 8 is identical to which of the following equation? So in the question, they have given already one equation which is 3t plus 2 equal to 8. Now we have to find out of this ABCD options, we have four another equations here. The given equation is identical to what? So here 3t plus 2 equal to 8 means if you take 2 this side, it will become 3t equal to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equal to 6 or t equal to 6 by 3 which is equal to 2. Means for the given equation, the value of unknown quantity is 2. Now we have to find out of the given equations, which of the following equation is having answer 2. This question heading children, it's a multi-correct answer type children. So you can have one or more answers. One or more answers. So the given equation value is 2. Let's check the other equations values. 2t minus 1 equal to 3. Minus 1 will come this side. It will become plus 1. 2t equal to 4 or t equal to 4 by 2. T equal to 2. A option is A option value also 2 we are getting. So it's identical. Next B option. Plus 1 will come this side. We can write it as 10t equal to 21 minus 1 or 10t equal to 20 or t equal to 20 by 10 which is equal to 2. So B option also identical to given equation. Third one, C option. T equal to cross multiplication. 2 into 2, 4. So this is not identical. Next, D option. 72 equal to 34. T equal to 34 by 17. Like this we can write. 17 2 times 34. So for option A, option B, option D, and for the given equation, the t value is 2. So A, B, D are identical to given equation. So this is a 4 marks question children. If you keep A, B, D, all the correct answers, you will get 4 marks. Suppose if you keep along with correct answers, if you keep wrong answer also, then you will get 0 mark. If there is a wrong answer, though other options may be correct, but if there is wrong answer, you will get 0 mark. If you keep only A, B correct answers, this is incomplete answer. Complete answer is ABC, A, B, D options. But you have kept incomplete. When the answer is incomplete, as many correct options are there, that many 1 marks you will get. For A 1 mark, for B 1 mark. So 2 marks you will get. Like this children, like this you have to choose this, choose the answers. Next children, 21st question. If x by 7 plus x equal to 24 and y minus 1 by 3 equal to 6. So then what? Which of the following relation is true? X equal to 21, x plus y equal to 32, y equal to 19, x minus y equal to 3. So first, let's find x and y values separately so that we can know their relation whether it is true or not. So they have given x plus 7 by x equal to 24. So LCM x by 7 plus x. LCM is 7. 7 1 is 7. 1 into x, x. Here there is nothing means 1 we can take. 1 7 times 7. 7 into x, 7x. x plus 7x equal to 8x. 8x by 7. This side we have 24. So 8x by 7 equal to 24. Cross multiplication. 8x equal to 24 into 7. Like this we can write. 8x equal to 24 into 7. Next, x equal to, this 8 will come down. 24 by 7, 24 into 7 by 8. 8 3 times 24, 3 into 7, 21. X value we have got 21. Next equation, y. Y. What they have given? Y minus 1 by 3 equal to 6. They have given y minus 1 by 3 equal to 6. On cross multiplication, y minus 1 equal to 3 into 6, 18 we can write. Next, y equal to 1 we can take this side, 18 plus 1, y equal to 19. So y equal to 19. So we got x equal to 21, y equal to 19. Now x plus y how much? 21 plus 19, 40. X minus y how much? 21 minus 19, 2. So here x is 21. Correct answer. X plus y 40 we are getting, this 32. Wrong answer. Y value 19. Correct answer. X minus y we got 2. But here they have given 3. Wrong answer. AC are correct options. AC options are correct options. Next year. 22nd question. If 4a plus 1, 4a plus 1 equal to 9, 3b minus 1 equal to minus 22, then which of the following relation is true? Option A power b equal to 128, b power a equal to 49, a plus b equal to minus 5, b minus a equal to minus 9. Which of the following relation is true? They have given 4a plus 1 equal to 9, 4a plus 1 equal to 9, 1 will go that side, 4a equal to 9 minus 1, or 4a equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8, or a equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. So we got 2 out, a value 2. And b, they have given 3b minus 1 equal to minus 22. 3b minus 1 equal to minus 22. 3b equal to minus 1 will go that side. Minus 22 plus 1, which is equal to minus 21. So 3b equal to minus 21. b equal to minus 21 by 3, which is equal to minus 7. So we got a value 2, b value minus 7. Now this a power b, a value 2, b power minus 1. A power b means 2 power minus 7 equal to 128 they have given. But whenever we have minus in the exponent, we have to write it as 1 by 2 power 7. When we write 1 by, exponent will become positive. 1 by 2 power 7 equal to 1 by 128, not 128. So A option is wrong. B option, b power a means minus 7 whole square, means minus 7 into minus 7, minus into minus plus 7 into 7, 49. True. C option, a plus b equal to minus 5, or b plus a, like anything we can write. Minus 7 plus 2 equal to minus 5. True. Option D, b minus a equal to minus 9. B minus a, let's substitute b value, let's substitute a value. How much? Minus 9. Correct. So only A option is wrong. Remaining 3 options are correct. Next one, 23rd question. Solve for x if kx plus a equal to mx plus b. We have to solve x. Here k is a constant, children. M also is a constant. A constant, B constant. Only x is the variable. Remaining all, we have to assume that they are constants. We have to find the value of x. So kx plus a equal to mx plus b given, children. All x terms we can take one side. Kx minus mx equal to a will come this side. We can write it as b minus a. From these two x we can take common. K minus m will remain equal to b minus a, or this k minus m will go towards right hand side. It will become b minus a by k minus m. Or because minus is there, if you change the constants, if you write it as a minus b, then we can write it as minus of a minus b by denominator also minus of m minus k. Like this we can write. Minus minus gets cancelled. So this is also equal to a minus b by m minus k. So we are getting two values. B minus a by k minus m or a minus b by m minus k. So both a and b are correct here. So here this is a minus b by k minus m. This is wrong, children. B minus a by k minus m. If we interchange b minus a, we will get a minus b. K minus m, we will get m minus k. So a and d options are correct. Next, children. Next model, children, we have comprehension passage type questions. Comprehension passage type questions. So you will be given one passage, children. So downside you will be given 3 questions. 4 options will be there. Only one option will be correct. Like single correct answer type model. Only extra passage they are giving, but it is same like single correct answer type question. The passage, children. The distance around a rectangular field is 502 meter. The length of the field. We have a rectangular field. Total distance around the rectangular field is 502 meter, whereas length L, breadth B. If we take them as L and B, where length is 25 meters more than breadth. Then we have to solve the questions. 24th question, they are asking length of the rectangle how much. So rectangular field, the distance around rectangular field is 502 meter. Here length is 25 times more than breadth. So let us assume because length they are comparing with the breadth, let us assume breadth as x, then length will be 25 more than x, which is equal to x plus 25. Because the length compared with breadth, the second quantity we have to assume it as x, then length will be 25 more than x. Here distance means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Total distance means L plus B plus L plus B. This total distance equal to 502 meter. But this is equal to perimeter of rectangle, whose formula is 2 into L plus B. 2 times of length and breadth sum derived from this one. So perimeter formula 2 into L plus B, but the value is 502. Means 2 into L plus B equal to 502. 2 will come this side, 502 by 2, which is equal to 251. So L plus B equal to, we have got 251. In the place of length, we can substitute x plus 25. In the place of breadth, we can keep x plus x, 2x. 25 will come towards right hand side. 251 minus 25, which is equal to 226. 2x equal to 26. X equal to 226 by 2, which is equal to 113. But x we have assumed breadth as x. So breadth is 113 meter, whereas length is 113 plus 25, which is equal to 138 meter. 138 meter. So the answer, 24th question, they are asking length of rectangular field. Option C is correct, 138 meter. Next, the breadth of rectangular field, how much? Just now we have calculated 113 meter. 113 meter. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Next, area of rectangular field, how much? Area of rectangular field. Area of rectangular field formula, length into breadth. 113 into 138. If you multiply, answer 15,594, because 113 meter into 138 meter, meter into meter, it will become meter square. So area is 15,594. 594. Option A is correct, Chalan. Next, Chalan. Passage 2. A person travel 5 by 8 of the distance by train. If you assume total distance as x, 5 by 8 of x by train, 1 by 4th of x by bus, remaining distance 15 kilometer by boat. This is the passage given, children. Now the question is, total distance traveled by him, how much? Suppose if the total distance is x, according to problem, children, 5 by 8 of x by train, 1 by 4 of x by bus, remaining 15 kilometer by boat, altogether equals to x. Because the distance traveled by train plus bus plus boat equal to total distance, which is x. Here there is nothing, means we can take it as 1, children. 8, 4, 1, the LCM is 8. Now 8 one time, 8. 1 into 5 into x, 5x. Next 4 2 times 8. 2 into 1 into x, 2x. Next 1 8 times 8. 8 into 15, 120. Equal to x. Next 5x plus 2x, children, 7x plus 120. On cross multiplication, on right hand side, 8 into x, we can keep 8x. Next 7x will come this side. 120 equal to 8x minus 7x. 8x minus 7x equal to x. So x equal to 120 kilometer, where x is total traveling distance. So in the question they have asked total distance traveled 120 kilometer. Here 120 meter they have given, children. Don't get confused. 120 kilometer is the correct answer. Next, children, the distance traveled by train, how much? By train, how much distance they have traveled? 5 by 8th part of total distance. Means 5 by 8th part of x. Means 5 by 8th part of 120. Not 15, children. 5 by 8th part of 120. 120, because 120 kilometers is the total distance. 8 1 is 8, 40, 8 15s. After cancellation, we will get 15. 5 by 8 into 120 means 5 into 15, which is equal to 75 kilometer. So by train, how much distance they have traveled? 75 kilometer. So D option is correct. The distance traveled by bus, how much? By bus, 1 by 4th distance traveled. 1 by 4x means 1 by 4 into 120. 4 30 times 120. 30 kilometer is the answer. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, children. Let's discuss remaining problems in the next video. That's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, children, for receiving latest updates. You can also visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in, for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, other activities. Thank you, children. Have a good day.